Hey, this is Sharon from Cold Creek Nurseries, and I'm here today to show you two new proven winter plants, which you'll be familiar with the name Euonymus. The old native Euonymus that you remember from years and years ago, and it's been sold in nurseries everywhere, was invasive and spread, and so that's why you don't usually see too many nurseries carrying it. But Proven Winters, of course, has come out with a new hybrid which maintains its size, which is about 2 foot by 2 foot. This plant is evergreen, so it always looks like this. Spring, summer, fall, winter, looks the same. And you see this one is White Album, which is a kind of cream colored and green variegation, and this one is Gold Splash with the yellow and green. Nice thing about these two is they can tolerate the full sun, but they can also brighten up a shady area because they can handle part shade also. So this will help even in a shade garden. And the new growth on these are just gorgeous. So this would be great for, you could do a mass planting, you could do it as a border, you could do it in front of some plants since it stays so short, and very low maintenance, very little pruning. So this is the perfect plant for anybody. So come on down and get you a Gold Splash or White Album.